So today's episode is all about how to make money on vacation and rental homes. You know, I thought since our team was out here in Cozumel on our annual trip, it would be a perfect time to kind of break down and unpack the ways to make money to help people understand, hey, lake house, beach house, vacation house, mountain house, how these things work, how to get in the game, how to understand the back end and all the pieces from a monetary standpoint so you know how to buy, celebrate, have fun, but also make money. You know, vacation homes are becoming one of the most popular things to do in real estate. Why? Well, people can have fun and they can make money as well. So a lot of times people want to start in their first vacation house and they will come to me and ask, hey, Brian, first of all, how do I qualify? Second of all, how does the whole process work with making money on Airbnb, VRBO, things like that? So first thing I want to talk about with everybody is the way to buy, right? So when you're going to buy a vacation house, obviously what you want to do is buy a place that you know you're going to occupy, you're going to have fun in it. But at the same time, how do you capitalize and maximize your cash flow in the short-term rental? So a couple secrets and tips for everybody on this. First and foremost, when you're looking at buying a property, what you want to do is you want to secret shop. Secret shop means go to Airbnb, go to VRBO and type in the zip code and the area code that you're looking at that you want to buy in. And you'll be able to find out exactly what the competition looks like in the area, right? What things are renting for per night, what's the occupancy rate, and even what the competition looks like. Are the houses old? Are they new? Are they nice? Or they're not? You know, me personally, when I got a lake house, what I did is went into the area that I was going to buy in and just looked and said, hey, what are things going for a night? On average, just so you know, Airbnb and VRBO, you get about $140 per room per night. So it's easy for you to do the math. The biggest component I want you to understand is how to be the person that capitalizes and captures all the consumers in the area. So I think a smart thing to do is Google an area that you want to buy a place in, figure out exactly what the price points are for the properties, but what the price points are per night. And I would just kind of think about to yourself as a consumer, what are these places missing? What do they need? You know, I saw an opportunity for our lake house area that these lake houses were there, but they needed a little bit of a facelift. They needed an upgrade. So I, went in and bought some property, painted the brick white, did a huge, beautiful patio, put a bunch of fans outside, did some Wi-Fi, did some flat screen TVs, just gave it the look and the feel that everybody wants to see. So think about it from a consumer standpoint. If you're scrolling through Airbnb, you're looking at the location, you're looking at the price, but what everyone's looking at is the optics, the pictures, the videos, and the ones that look the best are the ones that draw you in the most. So that's how you pay attention to your competition as far as where to buy, what to fix up, and how to get paid. Second piece is you want to figure out exactly from a tax standpoint. Full disclosure, this is not tax advice. This is just my opinion and things that you guys can do to do what I did, is figure out exactly how to set up an LLC. So you want to keep your personal stuff and your business stuff completely separate. That will protect you from a liability standpoint. You'll get an EIN number. Whoever you bank with, open a business bank account. Therefore, you'll have a business bank account. And then what you want to do is separate everything personal and business. So your mortgage payments, your utilities, your Airbnb, your VRBOs, your landscaping, everything you can think of all runs and flows through the LLC. Why? Well, two reasons. One, liability and protection, insurance, things like that where people can't sue you or it limits the exposure. Second piece is you want to make sure that when you go to file, you maximize the tax laws. Tax laws on personal versus tax laws on business are two separate things. Consult your CPA on that, but these are small tips and tricks that I do to make sure and maximize everything I can when it comes to the home buying process for a vacation or a rental. Now, the biggest component about a vacation or a rental is you still have to occupy it. If you're not going to be at your lake house or your beach house for a month, instead of just making the more mortgage payments, put it on a vacation rental site. Sometimes you can pay for all of your mortgage, sometimes it's part of it, but either way, it's going to be a discount and it's a win-win for you as a consumer. So these are very, very smart things to do. A lot of people are getting the game quickly. These are just a couple tips and tricks that I want to share with you to get you in the right mindset, but understand how to buy, how to research, how to maximize the tax law, and how to maximize the cash flow when you are thinking about buying a vacation home. If you're thinking about doing an international property or acquiring multiple vacation houses, two things to remember on that. One, international is a little bit trickier. You have to figure out, listen, if it's a U.S. territory like a Puerto Rico, you can go to a traditional mortgage company, right? And they'll take care of you on that piece. If it's something like Mexico, like where we're at now, or something outside the United States that doesn't belong to them, you have to figure out if the best form of action and the best financing is going to be local in the United States, or if you're going to want to do something local wherever the property is at. So keep that in mind. Second piece is what's getting really popular is people acquiring multiple rental vacation houses and they're trying to figure out where to buy. Where's the next one? So quick tip is to go on Google just to search, hey, top 10 up and coming Airbnb VRBOs in the country. It'll show you the trends. It'll show you the new construction. It'll show you the monetary piece. So if you're looking to buy 2, 3, 4, even up to 10, you'll know where to buy, when to buy, and how to buy. So as you guys probably know, I'm a huge fan of the vacation rental Airbnb VRBO game. I think it is one of the best ways for you to maximize cash flow. Long-term rentals are still popular. I agree with it, but with the vacation, you get the extra benefit of it's your house. So anytime you don't want to Airbnb it, turn it off, press pause, go enjoy life for a little bit. And then whenever it's not needed on your side, turn it back on. Airbnb, VRBO, let everybody else pay down your notes while you enjoy the benefits of gaining wealth, tax deductions, and having a vacation home to call your own. Listen, if you found this video helpful or useful, do me a favor, like, comment, share, subscribe. We really appreciate it. You know, it's Mexico. It's probably 5 o'clock here all day, every day. So I hear that tequila calling my name. I'm out.